Hello student, today we do exercise 4.4, sum 2 to 4 plus examples, simple equations chapter 4th. Sum number 2 we already discussed in exercise 4.1 part A. Here the statement is 2x plus 7 equals to 87. Now we solve it. Simple solving, and you know how to solve it. Plus 7 goes in right hand side, becomes of minus 87 minus 7 80. This 2 in dividend in divisor, then x is equals to 40. That is the lowest mark. Next B part. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40. What are the base angles of a triangle? Let me understand it by a figure. Isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal. That means base angle are equal. I am taking here x. Name of the triangle ABC. Vertex angle is of 40 degree, and we know that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Yes, speaks. Let base angles equal to x. Angle B equals to angle C equals to x because of isosceles triangle. Now, according to question, sum of three angles, तीनों एंगल का सम कितना होता है 180 degree. Now we solving. Here two variables x and x. Add it. 1x plus 1x makes 2x. 1 plus 1 2. 2x plus 40 equals to 180. 2x सेम 40 राइट हैंड साइड में जाएगा. सॉल्व इट. 0 4 140. x is equals to 140 by 2 makes 70. x is equals to 70. Hence the base angles are, write your answer, base angles equals to 70 degree. Next one, part C. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together, इकट्ठे. Their runs fell too short. कम रह गए हैं 2 of a double century. Century of 100. Century 100 mark की होती है. 100 runs. Double century means to say 200. How many runs did each one score? Let Rahul's score या run, that is x. Then Sachin scored equals to twice as many as Rahul, means to say 2x. According to question, together इकट्ठे दोनों ने मिलकर x plus 2x. Their run fell too short. 2 कम रह गए हैं of a double century. कितने में से 200 में से. Statement 1x plus 2x makes 3x. Both are like terms. 200 minus 2 198. Then x is equals to 3 6 3 6 x equals to 66. Rahul's runs 66. Sachin's runs equals to 66 into 2 makes 132. That is your required answer. Last one, sum number 3. Part first and second we already discussed in exercise 4.1. Statements are 5x plus 7 equals to 37. 3x plus 4 is equals to 49. I want to read this statement also. Dear student, listen carefully. Part third. First part. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marble. How many marbles does Parmeet has? Solving now. 5x plus 7 equals to 37. 5x same. 7 goes in right hand side. X is 30 by 5 makes 6. That means Parmeet has marbles. Answer you will write at last in each question always. Parmeet has marbles. That is 6. Second part already discussed. Statement was there. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age? 4 राइट हैंड साइड में जाएगा, माइनस का बन जाएगा. 49 minus 4 becomes 45. Here x is 45 by 3 makes 50. Hence Lakshmi's age. Answer Lakshmi's age equals to 15 years. Important question of this exercise. Part third. People of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees and the number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times of the number of fruit trees. Let, I am marking here, let number of fruit trees, that is x. What was the number of fruit trees planted? If number of non-fruit trees planted was 77, number of non-fruit trees, that is 77 in numbers. Now we balance it according to question. Non-fruit trees are 77. We have to balance it in the variable of non-fruit trees. See, number of non-fruit trees were 2 more, 2 ज़्यादा है, plus 2, then 3 times the number of fruit trees, plus 3x. Your statement. Now solving. Easy solving. You all know how we can solve it. Solve it by taking less time. बहुत कम टाइम लेते हो आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. And I know you can. Then x is equals to 75 by 3 makes 25. X is 25. Hence number of fruit trees, that is equals to 25. Next, sum number 4. It's a riddle. I am a number. Let it be x. Tell my identity. मेरे बारे बताओ. Take me 7 times over. As statement speaks, write down. Take me 7 times over means to say 7x and add 50 plus 50 to reach a triple century. Triple century means to say 300. You still need 40 means to say minus 40. आपको भी 40 और चाहिए तो आपने कितने बनाए? 260. Solving. 50 goes to in minus 210. 210 by 7. Then x is equals to 30. Who I am? I am 30. Next one is example. The sum of 3 times of a number and add 11 is 32. We have to find this number. Let the number x. According to question, 3 times of a number 3x, add 11 is 32. After situation, we have to solve it. Variable term left hand side, constant term goes to right hand side, plus minus minus, sign which is greater. 32 minus 11, 21. X is 7. Answer. Next, example number 9. Find a number such that 1/5 of a number is 3 more than 7. स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म करेंगे, इंपॉर्टेंट है ये भी बहुत. लेट द नंबर टेकिंग x according to question 1/4 of x is 3 more plus 3 by 7. Statement is, now we will solve it. X by 4, 7 plus 3 makes 10. X is equals to 4 goes in multiplication. Answer is 40. Last example number 10 of this exercise 4.4. After it, chapter completed. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Find Raju's age if his father is 44 years old. Solution of example 10. Let Raju's age x, father's age that is 44 years. We have to find Raju's age according to question. Father's age 44 years in numeral, we will put it at the right hand side and balance it. Raju's age in variable, Raju's father age in variable. 5 years more plus 5, then thrice of Raju's age. 3 times means to say 3x. Balancing, solving, plus 5 goes into minus 39. X is equals to 39 by 3 makes 13. Hence, Raju's age equals to 13 years. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless everyone. Plant more and more trees.